Most people think high income skill means coding or being an influencer or something fancy. That's not true. Today, I'll share 10 high income skills for you to consider. By the end of this video, you'll know what skills that can make real money online and offline. So let's get into it. The first point, what is a high income skill? A high income skill is any skill that solves a valuable problem for other people. One way to look at it, for example, are problems that help with saving time, making money, fixing something that's broken, helping someone grow. The more valuable the problem, the higher the income. Okay, so what are the skills? Number 1, sales and communication. By far the best one. Every business needs sales. And if you can communicate and persuade ethically, you'll never be broke. Number 2, trade skills. Skills like plumbing, electrician, boiler maker. These skills aren't going anywhere. These jobs are always on demand and people pay a lot of money when things break. Number 3, digital marketing, ads, content, email. Businesses don't survive without attention and companies will pay good money for this skill. Number 4, project management. If you can organize people and deadlines and perform well under pressure, companies will pay you very well for this skill. Number 5, copywriting and content writing. Words are easy and they sell. Simple. Number 6, software automation. Even if it's just at a basic level. You don't need to be a genius, you just need to be useful. Number 7, consulting from your own experience. If you've worked in something for years, someone will pay you to learn from you. Number 8, personal training, coaching, and massage therapist. Health is wealth, always will be, and these skills can pay you well. Number 9, video editing, media skills. Every brand needs content. And number 10, problem solving and adaptability. This is the meta skill. People who adapt always win. The last point, which is also the most important, it's the mindset shift. High income skills aren't about talent, they are about commitment. You don't need 10 skills, you just need one, learn it well, commit to it for about 6 to 12 months, and your life can look completely different. No matter what your current job is, if you apply yourself, you can grow and be in a better position 1 year from now. Make 2026 your year. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and if you want more videos about money, skills and growth, subscribe. We're growing together. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.